Do you set an alarm to wake up in the morning? Now you can set alarms for stocks, options, and even events in TD Active Trader. Step 1 is to set up how you're going to receive them. Click the hamburger menu in the top right of the platform and select Notification Settings. Fill in your phone number and/or email address, depending on where you'd like to be notified. You may be prompted to verify your contact information by entering a confirmation code you'll receive. Next, select where you'd like to receive each type of alert. Then click Apply. Now that you're ready to receive alerts, let's add the Alert widget to your layout by using the Tools and Analysis drop-down and selecting Alerts. Then click Create Alert. You'll start on the Market tab. Here you can create an alert based on the performance of an individual security, like an option or stock. Enter the symbol for the security. From there, fill out the condition that needs to be satisfied to trigger the alert. You can set alerts to expire after a specified period of time and add your own descriptions to them, like the time to buy or sell. You can even add more than one condition to an alert and have it trigger if any or all of the conditions are met. Once an alert is created, it shows up in the widget as a line item describing the conditions for triggering. Alerts can also be created for calendar events and news. You can use the filters at the top of the widget to narrow down your list. And you can sort the list based on column heading. These are also customizable in the widget. From the list, you can cancel or edit an alert, or set it to repeat. That's all you need to know about creating and managing alerts.